Hello all, we are here to solve the previous year gate question. This question is from manufacturing. The question says a point P on a CNC controlled XY stage is moved to another point Q using the coordinate system shown in the figure below and rapid positioning command G00. Now a pair of stepping motors with maximum speed of 800 rpm controlling both the X and Y motion of the stage are directly coupled to a pair of lead screws, each with a uniform pitch of 0.5 mm. Now the time needed to position the point P to the point Q is, now as you see in this particular given problem, the pitch of this lead screw is given as 0.5 mm per revolution, right, and this RPM is given as 800 revolution per minute. So if you find the speed V with this n into pitch, then it is given as 400, right, mm per minute. Now if you see in the given figure, the distance needs to be traveled along x direction is 600 mm, right, and the distance needs to be traveled along y direction is 300 mm. So now there are pair of this stepping motor is there, right? So if we calculate the time along x and time along y, then we have speed with us, right? Speed is 400 mm per minute. So if we go for this time along x, then it is given with the distance in x divided by this speed, right? So distance along x is 600 and this velocity is 400, so here it is 1.5 minute, right. Now if you go for ty, then it is distance along y and v. So distance along y is 300 and this speed is 400, so it is 0.75 minute. So here what is going to happen is, during 0.75 meter both the motors x and y will run, and the motor in x will run up till 1.5 minute. So the time needed to position the point P to the point Q will be 1.5 minute. Okay, thank you.